Hello and welcome to our channel where India comes alive from the skies. I am bringing you stunning drone views, vibrant culture, delicious food, and the untold beauty of India. We are dubbing every video into more than 10 languages, so no matter where you are watching from, you are always welcome here. All links are in description. So sit back, relax, and explore the heart of India like never before. Subscribe now and join us on the beautiful journey. Today, I am taking you on a stunning drone journey over Rishikanda, Tavlakonda, a floating ship, restaurant, and even fish boats at sea. Welcome to the eastern coast of India. Today, we are flying over Binley Beach, and what you are seeing is rare. More than 100 fishing boats have spotted near the shore. They are not lost. They are fishing together in harmony with the sea. It's early morning. The sun is rising. The boats left the shore before dawn, as they do every day. But today something special happened. The fish came closer to shore. So all the boats gathered here. From above, it's looked like a peaceful painting. Colorful boats, steady hands, and calm water. But for these fishermen, it's all about timing, skill, and survival. Each boat has a small team, no loud engines, no big missions. Just men using nets, ropes, and pure teamwork. They pull the nets by hand, checking for movement, hoping for a good catch. Some are catching fish, others are still waiting. But no one rush. This is how it's done. Slow, painted, and with respect for the ocean. Fishing here isn't just a job. It's way of life. These men came from nearby coastal villages for generations. Their family have lived by the sea, trusted it, and worked with it. The fish they catch today will feed families, support schools, and be sold fresh in the local markets. There is no waste, no overfishing, just a natural balance between people and the ocean. Scenes like this are hard to find in the modern world, where life still moves with nature, not against it. We captured this moment to show you a piece of real India, quite hardworking and deeply beautiful. If you enjoyed this drone view, don't forget to like the video. What you are seeing right now, it's a real ship, but not to sail. It's something even more exciting. A new floating restaurant is being prepared right here near 1080 Park. This huge ship structure has been placed near the shore and will soon become a unique dining experience for visitors. From the sky, it looks like a cruise ship anchored by the beach. But once it's complete, people will be able to walk inside, enjoy the truly delicious seafood, and feel like they are dining on the very actual sea itself. It's a big project and locals and tourists are already excited. 1080 Park is already a favorite spot in Vizag with sea views and fresh air. This floating ship restaurant will make it even more special. We'll keep showing the progress through our drone lens. So don't forget to like. Now you are looking at one of the most beautiful beach viewpoints in India. High above the Bay of Bengal, this place offers peace, fresh air, and breathtaking view from the endless ocean. Welcome to a hidden gem of the coast of India. From this viewpoint, you can see golden sands, waves crashing gently, and fishing boats far out at sea. The road curves around the cliffs, making it a perfect spot for drone shoots and quiet moments. Early mornings here are magical. The sunrise from the sea, painting the sky with orange and pink. Evening brings cool breeze. and perfect light for photos. If you ever visit Vizag, don't miss this peaceful spot. This beach point will stay in your heart forever. Now we are flying over one of the most scenic routes on India's east coast. A perfect mix of hills, sea views, and smooth curves. This isn't just a drive, it's a journey through nature. The road curves gently along the coastal line, with the Bay of Bengal on either side and green hills on the other. Whether you are riding a bike, driving a car, or just walking, this route gives you endless beauty at every turn. It's a favorite spot for morning joggers, cyclists, and drone lovers. From above, it's looked like a ribbon laid between the land and the sea. Now we are flying over a peaceful area filled with luxury villas surrounded by greenery. And just beyond, you will also see major industries and companies. This is the new Vizag. Calm, living close to everything. These villas are built right in the lap of nature, with trees, hills, and open skies all around. You can see wide roads, beautiful gardens, private swimming pools, and elegant homes designed with modern architecture. It's not just a luxury, it's about peace, space, and fresh air. From the sky, each villa looks like its own little paradise. What makes this place even more special is what's around it. Just a short drive away, you will find some of Vizag's top companies, tech parks, and industries, providing jobs and opportunities to thousands of people. That means you can live in a quiet, green space and still be connected to your workplace, shopping areas, schools, and hospitals. It's the perfect balance of peaceful living and modern convenience. Many people are choosing this lifestyle now, especially families, professionals, and NRIs returning to India. These villas offer safety, comfort, and a sense of community. You wake up to birdsong, not traffic. You see trees instead of concrete walls. And you still have access to high-speed internet 24/7 and security, and all modern amenities. This is the future of smart living in Wiser, where beauty, comfort, and opportunity live side by side. Now, welcome to Tatlakonda, a peaceful hilltop near Vizag, known for its ancient Buddhist site. But today, we are showing you a hidden gem that many people miss: a natural rock bridge. Stunning sea, cliffs, and landscapes that feel like a painting. This is heaven for nature lovers and dream for photographers. This natural bridge is formed by rocks and wind over thousands of years. From above, it looks like a stone arch stretching into the sea, strong, raw, and untouched by men. Waves crash beneath it. Wind whistles through. And the view is simply magical. It's one of the most underrated wonders in Vizag. Around all Tatlakonda, you will find breathtaking views, rolling green hills, cliff touching the ocean, and narrow trails that feel like a peaceful escape. The combination of sea, breeze, silence, and blue sky makes it perfect spot to take a break from busy life. And if you visit early morning or sunset, the light here is a golden and perfect. Now I will show you a massive new structure. It looks like a palace. It's being built by the Andhra Pradesh government under the leadership of Chief Minister Vice Jagan Mohan Reddy. From the sky, it looks grand, with wide steps, domes, and royal layout. This building is part of a major government project, possibly planned for an official use, including guest house, conference spaces, or even CM camp office. Its location is prime, sitting high on the hills, with a clear view of Rishikonda Beach and the Bay of Bengal. This project has created a lot of buzz. Some called it a smart move, others are concerned about the environmental impact. But one thing is sure, the view is breathtaking and the design is grand. What do you think about this construction? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates from the skies of India in over 10 languages. Thank you for watching this video.